to the online English class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Kids, before starting our class, first I would like to tell about etiquette. Our first etiquette, raise your hands if you want to ask something. Children, you should always raise your hands if you want to ask something. Next, wait for your turn to give any answer. Children, you should always wait for your turn to give any answer. I hope you all will follow these good habits in your daily life. Now, let's revise some GK questions. Tell me, which is our national food? Very good. Our national food is khichdi. Repeat after me. Our national food is khichdi. Next question, which is our national emblem? Children, tell me what is the correct answer of this question. Our national emblem is the lion, capital of Ashoka. Repeat after me. Our national emblem is the lion, capital of Ashoka. Okay, now let's read some sight words. Look at this sight word. Tell me which sight word is this? Around. Repeat after me. Around. Now look at this one. Tell me which sight word is this? Some. Some. Repeat after me. Some. Now see this side word. Tell me which side word is this? Things. Things. Speak with me. Things. Which side word is this? Things. Okay. Let's move to our next topic. Children, in our previous classes I taught you many times about use of these and those. Today we will once again practice use of these and those. Tell me when to use these. We use these to show plural nouns which are near to us. Tell me when to use those. We use those to show plural nouns which are far from us. Children, we use these and those are used to show many persons, animals or things. Now let's see some examples. Children, look at this picture. Here you can see more than one balloon. Tell me, are the balloons near to him or far? Near to him. Tell me, what do we use when things are near to me? These. So here you can see balloons are very near to him. So you will use these. You will say these are balloons. Children, when things are near to us, so we use these. See this picture? Tell me, are the balls near to her or far? Far. So what you will use? Those. Children, when things are far from us, so we use the word those. Children, we use the word those to describe the objects which are not near to us. Children, you can see here that these balls are far from the girl. So you will use those. You will say those are balls. Children, see this picture and read this sentence with me. These are flowers. Children, this girl says these are flowers. So here she has used these. Tell me why she has used these in this sentence? Because these flowers are very near to her. Children, when things are very near to us, so we use the word these. Children, see this picture and read this sentence with me. Those are bats. This boy says those are bats. So here this boy has used those. Tell me why he has used those? Very good, because bats are not near to him. Bats are very far from him. Children, I told you when things are very far from us, so we use the word those. Children, look at this picture. Now, tell me, are the books near to her or far? Near. Very good. Children, here you can see these books very close to the girl. So what we will use? Tell me. Yes, right. These. So what you will say? These are books. Because these books are very near to her. So you will use these. These are books. I hope you all have understood where to use these and those. Now, I am going to speak dictation. So, I am giving you time till 5 seconds to get ready with your pencil eraser and notebook. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Children, write dictation and today's date in your notebook. Write first word, said. Said. Write fast. Said. After said, you will write now. Now. Write fast. Now. Now next word, go. After now, you will write go. Go. Children, after go, you will write behind. Behind. Children, write fast. Behind. Behind. After behind, you will write none. None. Children, write fast. None. So, I hope everyone must have written the dictation in their notebooks. Now, after writing dictation, you will match all your words with these words that you have written right or wrong. Now, let's do the practice of reading. Children, look at the screen. Read with me. The bug. Now, look at this line. Tim has a funny bug. Children, look at second line. Speak with me. The bug likes to hug Tim. Look at this line. Speak with me. He also likes to sleep in a mug. Look at this line. Read with me. One day the bug got stuck in a jug. Look at this line. Read with me. Tim dug the bug out of the jug. I hope everyone has read this paragraph with me. Now you have to read this paragraph once again at your home. It's time for homework. Children, in homework you have to complete this worksheet by using these and those. So this is your homework. You have to complete this work by yourself. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye children.